What's going on, guys? Foxen. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to update the goldhen cheat manager. This might crash on my side. I was having a big problem doing this. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So what we want to do is we want to go to the homebrew store. Make sure you have internet connection turned on. If you're not sure, you can go into settings. Then you want to go to network. Make sure the box is checked. Then you can run a test connection if you want to run to make sure if it's working or not. I already know my connection's working, so that's how you can test it. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go to the homebrew store. Okay, open that up. Okay, so now we're going to go to the homebrew store. Okay, there's no search function on here, so we're going to go to store apps, then we're going to click search for, whoops, sorry about that, sort by, then we're going to sort by name. So we're going to look for the golden hen. I'm going to put this on pause. My internet connection is slow. I'm going to be here all day trying to find this, so give me a second. Okay, this is the application you want. It's on page 33. So you want the goldhen cheat manager. So we're going to go ahead and install this. On mine, it had a problem installing. I don't know why it just did. Couldn't really get it to install. I had to override cheat codes manually to get the cheat codes to work. So go ahead and press download and install. I'll be back in about 100 years when this is done. Okay, it downloaded it. Now it's installing it. And it says ready to use. We're going to go ahead to the PlayStation home menu and see if it's on the home menu, hopefully. Okay, this is the application, goldhen cheat manager. So we're going to have to reset the internet connection, I believe, or it's going to reset the system or whatever. Okay, so just going to have to let it install and update the files and all that other good stuff. Yes. Hopefully my internet connection doesn't drop out. Last time it dropped out and I couldn't even reinstall the package. Had a lot of problems here with internet. So we're just going to let it do its thing. Press OK. Now you have sections. You have update, you have cheats, you have patches, you have online database, you have settings, and you have about. So we're going to go ahead and press update. This is going to update our .json files for the cheat codes. Successfully installed all the cheats to the database, and I'll show you where the cheats are located in case you need to manually copy and paste and override files. You can press update a couple of times. Sometimes there's new stuff. I don't know what's with this app. It's very buggy. That's just copying and pasting and overriding files, which I think it's doing. So I'll usually do it like 1 or 2 times and see if it, has anything or whatever. These are the list of cheats. I don't want to click on that in case it might crash the application. We're going to go to the about, and it says I'm on version 1.02. The latest build's 1.03. I don't know why it's showing that. Whatever. And that gives you the information on how to do the settings in here. This is the online database. So we can open up the cheats and we'll see what the cheats look like. Hopefully it won't crash. And these are the cheat codes. There's 2170, I think. These are all the cheat codes it has. So that's it for that. What happened was, before in my previous video with updating to the latest version of goldhen, I tried to run a Resident Evil cheat, which was working before I updated to the latest version of the beta build. So I figured let me update everything and try. So we're going to go ahead, and what we're going to do is close the application. Now we're going to try to jump back in the game and see if the game won't crash or anything. And in case you're wondering if you want to copy and paste and manually override a .json file for a cheat, I'll show you how to get there. So you need to make sure you have your files like in the same type of format, exFAT, like you're installing a game or whatever. So open up the ps4 Explorer. I always have the .json files on the root of the flash drive so it's easy to copy. You want to go into data. Then you want to go into goldhen. Then you want to go into the cheats folder. Then you want to open up the JSON folder. It takes a second for it to load. This is the directory at the top: data, goldhen, cheats, JSON. These are where your cheat files are stored. You can actually manually back these up if you wanted to. If you look on the left-hand bottom, it says 1309. That's how many cheat files are installed on the system. If you have a PS4 and you're really almost out of space, and if your cheats aren't working, this might be one of the reasons why. I think I have 100 gigabytes. You only needed like megabytes. These things are notepad files. They're very tiny, as you can see on the right-hand side. Okay, so we've updated that. And if you're not sure what the game is called, you can, like, for instance, at the very top, it says CUSA0 blah 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 blah. Copy and paste that into Google. That's the game ID, and I'll tell you what game it is. If you're looking for a certain cheat code that you have a JSON file for, you can put it in here, or you can go on Google and grab the game ID, and it will tell you what the cheat code will be for the game ID. Okay, now that's done. We're going to go ahead and open up Resident Evil 4, and we're going to see, hopefully the cheat manager won't crash. In my last video I just did a few minutes ago, I had an update. It crashed. And it has done that before on the 2.3 version. It only did it once, but on this version it's crashing. So maybe the goldhen cheat manager needs to be updated or whatever. It's probably a bug in the beta build. Maybe when the final release comes out, it won't have this problem. So we'll see what happens. I'll be back when this is loaded. Okay, now that's on pause. Hopefully this won't crash. We'll see. Press and hold down the share button, and we'll see if it crashes. Okay, didn't crash that time. Really good. Very awesome. Okay, and there's new cheat codes available, which is awesome because I wanted to get the infinite knife durability. And if you press the next cheat, press the R1 button, there's more cheat codes here. So if you're bored or curious or whatever, you want to look over this, we can look over it together real quick. I'm not going to keep you here for all eternity. I've updated all my weapon mods for my guns and stuff. I don't use infinite health in the video games. It's up to you guys what you want to do. How I feel is it's like, it's kind of a waste of playing. Also important, I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure. If you look at the bottom, it says cheats by water. You can't use cheats by water and cheats by LMN because they're different places that have it hosted, and it can't combine the files and get the cheats to work, as far as I know. You can give it a try and check. We'll go to the first one. We'll try infinite ammo here. Then we're going to press the back, and as you can see, this infinite ammo is on. Let me move my beautiful ugly face out of the way here. And if you look at the ammo counter here, it says 10 out of 0. See, and it just shows a 0 at the bottom. That means my ammo is unlimited. This will be for all my guns here. Okay, shotgun's unlimited, which is really cool. Unlimited grenade. I guess I don't. Oh, that's very weird. Not unlimited grenades, but unlimited shotgun, which is cool. I don't like unlimited ammo. It's just, don't play the game. If you're gonna have unlimited ammo and infinite health, you don't have to even play the game. But that's up to you guys. You do what makes you happy. I don't care. I'm here to help you guys. Get all these cool videos up and running because I love being part of the modding scenes and doing all this cool stuff. Anyway, guys, like and subscribe to the Fox, and don't forget to catch my main man Nick Moses 05. I'm there almost every Sunday, unless there's an emergency or something. We do a live stream. We do the podcast. He does a whole bunch of stuff on the Facebook and YouTube pages. Shout out to my main man Magnus, that specimen. Can't forget you, DJC Money. You'll be shutting this show down too. Chelsea's way and everything, all everybody else. And MGR, can't forget him. He's an awesome guy. So is Magnus. They're pretty cool. They're smart individuals. Anyway, guys, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Have an awesome day. And that's how you update the Golden Hen Cheat Manager.